Let's delve into the powerful Tyselect Modifier in 3ds Max. This versatile tool allows you to create procedural selections of mesh subobjects, such as vertices, triangles, polygons, or elements, using customizable criteria. Here's what you need to know. 1. Purpose and replacement. The Tyselect Modifier serves as a modern replacement for 3ds Max's outdated Volume Select modifier. Unlike its predecessor, Tyselect offers a plethora of essential features that enhance your workflow. 2. Subobject selection. You can choose the type of subobject to select, vertices, faces, etc., within the Tyselect modifier. The modifier maintains its own selection list, similar to 3ds Max's modifier stack, allowing you to stack selectors with different methods and settings. This streamlined approach keeps your modifier stack tidy, even when dealing with complex selections. 3. Deformation-independent selections. Enable Select at Specific Frame to evaluate the input mesh at a specified frame, rather than the current frame. This feature ensures consistent selections on